Hello, this is your internet best friend, TermSetter from Group 6 in Section A02. TermSetter is a mobile app that will allow students to enroll in university courses. TermSetter is intended to be used primarily by the University of Manitoba students, motivated by the necessity to improve upon the current U of M Aurora, which is used for class registration. To use the TermSetter, we will have to create a new account, so let us jump into that. To create an account, you will be asked to fill in your name, account ID, password, email, and a phone number. And for the simplicity, we will be creating a very generic user account. Let's say fill in the username as Kevin, because my name is Kevin. Account ID, I will just go with another Kevin, but going with a lowercase, and some numbers, say 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the password, of course, I'm going to use a very generic password, and you should try not to use it, but the ASDF and 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the confirm password, you'll type in the same password, of course. And for the email, for the TermSetter, it doesn't really consider if the email is a real email or not, but so I'll just go with Kevin 1234, the same as the account ID. And after that, it has to be followed by the domain called myumanitoba.ca. And for the phone number, it has to be exactly 10 numbers. And I can just go with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0, and then create an account. Alright, once the TermSetter welcomes me, you can type in the Kevin 1234 and a very generic password, and then log in. Well, once you go into a home main activity of the TermSetter, you can choose to manage your account and view your profile, seeing what your name, ID, your email, and the phone number. And in case if you don't like the email and the password you have set to when you create an account, you can change those as you want. For update email, you can change your current email to a different one. And as for changing a password, you'll be typing in the current password and change a new password as you want. When you go back to the home page, you can, other than managing your account, you can also register the courses of your choice. To do so, you can go into the browse course list and be able to see for different faculties, or I should say departments, that offers the courses for winter 2021 for this case. And since I am majoring in computer science, I might as well as try to register come 3350, for example. In section A01, Tuesday and Thursday, you'll be attending 9:30 a.m. to 10:20, and below there's a period that the class starts and when the class ends. So when I try to enroll, the TermSetter will display a message whether you successfully enrolled to that course. And I will try to enroll one more course from the computer science department, namely COM 3430, and A01, Tuesday and Thursday in a different time, and it will allow me to enroll into that course as well. And I will try to enroll a few more courses, one from the mathematics, say Math 1020, A01, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 2:30 p.m. to 3:20 p.m. Okay, I got into that course. And the last one, I will be trying to enroll a class called 2010 in A01, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 12:30 p.m. to 1:20 p.m. All right. In this demo, I will be only enrolling to 4 different courses, but by default, the TermSetter will not allow you to take a course that will cause a time conflict. For example, when I try to register a course called Accounts 1100 in A02, I recalled that one of my courses register has Tuesday and Thursday held in 9:30 a.m. and the TermSetter will not allow me to enroll into that course because there's a course that has the same that'll be held in the same time. And also, you are not able to enroll more than 6 courses by default. So when you try to enroll more courses after that, TermSetter will not let you enroll the courses from there. Okay, since I have enrolled into 4 courses, I will be seeing like what kind of courses I have registered in View My Classes. You can see a list of courses that you registered, and along with the total amount of tuition fees you'll have to pay for those courses, you can see that you'll be paying 2,200 Canadian dollars, which is quite a lot, and the total number of credits hours that you will be completed after finishing those courses. And also, you can see a timetable of the courses that you'll be taking for winter 2021. Let's say for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you'll be taking Accounts 2010 and Math 1020. And you can also view those timetable based on which days you'll be attending to. Say Monday's a default, and if you choose a Wednesday, you can still see the same list. If you select the Friday, it will also display the same list. However, if you choose a Tuesday or Thursday, you'll be seeing a different list having comp 3350 and comp 3430 as well. And you should notice that the list is ordered based on the class that will be held in the earliest time. For example, comp 3350 is held in the morning 9:30, but after that the operating system is held in 10:30. And if we go back to home, and if you choose not to take a particular course that you don't want to take, you can choose to drop them in a class on enrollment page. And let's say if you don't want to take a course called Account 2010, just select that course and press unenroll, and the TermSetter will deregister that course for you. And if you go back to the drop a class activity again, you will not be able to see that course anymore from the list because you just dropped it. And that goes the same for view my classes. And you'll only see 3 classes that you have registered, and that will this will also be reflected in the total amount of tuition fees you'll have to pay, and the total number of credits you will be completing after finishing those courses. And lastly, that will also be reflected in View My Schedule or My Table. You can see that in Monday and Wednesday and Friday, you will only be able to see 1 course because you just dropped the account of 2010 from the list. And lastly, if you want to drop all of the classes just for some reason, say you have a medical reason or just don't want to take it after all, just simply select all of the courses and unenroll them. And the TermSetter will drop the classes for you, and you will no longer be able to see those courses from the list. And of course, that will go the same for the View My Classes. Nothing is there, and you'll be paying nothing. And also, you'll not be completing any credit hours, and the timetable will be empty as well. And that is pretty much it for the TermSetter. If you wish to play around more with the TermSetter, feel free to do so. But other than that, if once you're done playing around with the TermSetter, just log out from the account and then just close the app. And there we go. That's the end of the TermSetter. Thanks for watching.